Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually set up your preferences on your user account on ServiceNow. So while you're logged into your account on ServiceNow, if you want to set up your preferences, just head over to your profile icon in the top right, select the preferences option, and then you'll be brought to this screen here with this pop-up where you have all of these different preferences that you can set up. So some of the more commonly used ones that you'll see people like to change or the organizing forms into sections and related lists. You could change it from tabs, or you could just have like an endless scrolling page to get rid of those tabs. You can also do things like either adding or removing the line breaks and lists. You can use impact spacing, if that's something that works, or compact spacing, if that works for you. Depending on which themes have been set up on your instance, you could also select different themes on your instance. You can see when I select this, the background here changes slightly. And also there's a dark mode. So you can see for these, I can also add in a dark mode if I would like to. For accessibility, I can always adjust my accessibility options if I would like to. Notifications, so if you're just getting spammed to heck by ServiceNow from all these emails, you could always adjust your email notifications here in case you don't want to receive as many notifications from ServiceNow. Because when I was a ServiceNow end user, I was so irritated with all the notifications I would get from ServiceNow. I ended up creating just a whole separate folder on my Outlook where I would just forward everything to. So this is where you could adjust those notifications if needed. Debugging, so this is really only relevant if you're a developer. And you could also change your date and time format. You could change your time zone. And then you can also change your start page. So if you want to change your start page, you can do that here as well. But that is a quick rundown how you can adjust your preferences on ServiceNow.